my oldest school, good crowd pleasing tricks. And it's just a butterfly under the leg. All you do is, so you're doing this, your basic hip reel. And then what you do is, if you look at it from the side, my leg is slightly in front, my hand goes under, and then my leg opens to the side. So as I come up, I open like that, as the poi goes under the leg. You can do it in a hip reel, even if you don't do opposite direction hip reels. I was intending to show you this one, which was the double takeout, like the left, right, left, right, left, right. But you could do that same thing that we did under the left leg, going under and then like turning. You could still like turn to a flower, if that's more your speed. I think you can make the kick more dramatic if you come up in your kick, come down 360 back to here. I guess technically it's a 270, it's not a 360, because you're starting, like, so if I start here in the front, then I go under the leg, come around, and then go here. I did a 270 turn. Your overhand's here, you come under the leg, but then you turn 90 degrees, it's underhand. You can come under the leg, come all the way around here, and end up in overhand, as opposed to going under the leg and just turning to here. I'm turning another 180 into overhand. And you stop facing that way to end up in overhand. In same direction, even if it's just from the hip reel, you can come through here, turn to overhand. I think more turn makes it more dramatic, but that's subjective. I just think that turning's better than standing still. That's my bias. Same direction, like this, and then you came out, and then, although I stalled twice, you stalled once. Here, and in the hip reel. And you come under the leg. You can just come around with the right hand. So it's here, you come here, and then you can go into your flower. So you just keep going around with the right hand while the left goes under the leg. You're here, and then you turn, and then flower. So we're basically doing a hip reel to an overhand 4-petal anti-spin. This cap, you could do the cap on under the leg into the 4-petal if you wanted to. So you cap under the leg, turn 4-petal, or cap under the leg, turn, cap under the leg, turn, cap under the leg, turn. It is easier with just one in my opinion, but you may find it easier with two. So you can take both under their left leg, come around, boom. And I did that 2 different ways. The first one I did with a chasing the sun, the second one I did with just a giant extension. Either of those will work. I'm just doing top to bottom. And then as it's coming down, if you want to do both hands, you move your right hand to the left side of the body. Right, so if I'm like this, right, my right hand's on the right side. As I come down, I move it to the left side of the body, put my weight on the right leg, come around and turn. And if you only want to do it with one hand, what you could do is the right poi could just do the low turn. Right, so if I'm just doing it with my left, it would be like this.